Hello, I'm Devora Sides from Children's Lighthouse North Center. I'd like to welcome you to our school and show you around our amazing facility, where we provide early education and daycare to the families of North Center and the surrounding neighborhoods. With only 8 school holidays each year, we can ensure your child has quality care whenever you need it. Our parent parking lot and loading zone makes dropping off and picking up your child easy. And our secure building with keyless entry codes keeps us all safe and secure. To keep everyone healthy, we do daily health screenings, practice social distancing, and don't mix classrooms to limit exposure. Additionally, we have a state-of-the-art Zono machine to sanitize toys and objects that are shared, and a Halo machine to sanitize classrooms and surfaces. We engage children in educational, play-based learning in classes separated by children's developmental stages. Kids learn in cheerful classrooms and can move and play in our large, sunny, climate-controlled gym, and enjoy getting fresh air on our private deck overlooking the scenic Chicago River. Our healthy meal program serves children delicious, nutritious, organic food. And you can relax throughout your day knowing that you don't ever have to be out of touch with your child. Check in anytime with our live camera app and get electronic daily reports about your child's day in real time. And of course, you're welcome to call and check in anytime you want or need to. Thank you for taking the time to explore our amazing school. Call or email us today to schedule a tour. We can't wait to meet you.